Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Yesterday, exercise 1.1 first Roman completed. Today, we will start exercise 1.1 second sum. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that any positive odd integer of the form use Euclid's division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Euclid's division lemma to show that any positive odd integer of the form 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5. In this form, every odd integer of the form like these three. Okay, how to solve the second sum? Once you listen. By Euclid division lemma, what is the general form of Euclid's division lemma? A equals to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equals to R less than B. Okay, so here 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 4 and so on, like you take A equals to 6 cube plus R. Okay, so here what is the value of B? Equals to 6. So 0 less than or equals to R less than 6. Okay, 0 R B equals to 6. So R is in between 0 equal and less than 6. So R equals to either 0, equal to 0, less than 6. Less than 6 means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, less than 6. So up to 5. So you will take these 6 cases. For example, case 1. If R equals to 0, if R equals to 0, A equals to BQ plus R, A equals to B means 6 Q plus R equals to 0. First case is 0. Okay, so A equals to 6Q plus 0. If 0 is added to any number, gives a same number. So 6Q. Okay, so 6Q can written as 2 into 3Q. 2 into 3Q. That is equals to 2 into something. 2 into something. 2m form. 2m form is a general form of 2m is the general form of, already I gave the introduction. What is the general form of even numbers? 2m. 2m form. 6m is the general form of, 2m is the general form of even number. So it is a even. It is a even. 6q is a even number. This is the first case. Case 2. R equals to 0 completed. Next, R equals to 1. R equals to 1. Okay. A equals to BQ plus R. A equals to B means 6Q plus R equals to 1. We'll take case 2. R equals to 1. Okay. So, this can be written as 2 into 3Q plus 1. So, here M is any positive integer. M is any positive integer. Next, 2 into 2m plus 1. So, 2m plus 1. 2m plus 1 is the general form of odd integers. It is odd, where 3q is a 3q equals to m is an integer or positive integer. M is a positive integer. Okay. This is case 2. Next. Case 3. If R equals to 0 completed, 1 completed. Now R equals to 2. Okay. A equals to BQ plus R. A equals to 6Q, B value 6, QQ, R equals to 2. Okay. Is both common. 2 is take common. 2 into 3Q plus 1. Here 2 is common. Here is 2 is common. So take common 2. 3Q. 2 3 is 6Q plus 2 1 is 2. 3Q plus 1. Where 3Q plus 1 equals to m. It is in the form of 2m. M is a positive integer. M is a positive integer. So, it is a 2m form. So, it is a, what is that? 2m is the general form of even number. So, a equals to 6q plus 2. 6q plus 2 is an even number. The next case 4. What about case 4? If R equals to 3 taken R equals to 3. A equals to BQ plus R. A equals to B value 6Q plus R equals to 3. Okay. Ah. 6Q plus 3 can written as 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So, 3 I can retain 2 plus 1. Okay. You will take the common 2 here both. 3Q plus 1 plus 1. So, it is where m equals to 3q plus 1. M equals to 3q plus 1 taken. So, m is a positive integer. So, 3q plus 1 equals to m. 2 into something. 2 into something plus 1. 2 into something plus 1 equals to 2m plus 1. 2 into something plus 1. Where m is a positive integer. So 2 into something plus 1 is a, what is the, this is the general form of odd number. So 6 cube plus 3 is a odd number. 6 cube plus 3 is a odd number. Next, case 5. If r equals to 3 completed. Next one is 4. R equals to 4. A equals to 6 big A cube plus r. General form of Euclid's division lemma. A equals to b cube plus r. B cube plus r. A equals to b cube. B equals to 6. 6 cube plus r equals to 4. Okay. Here take a common to both are 2. 2 into 3 cube. 2 3s are 6 into cube 6 cube plus 2 2s are 4. So 3 into 2 into something 2m, where m equals to 3 cube plus 2 is a positive integer. Positive integer. So 2m is a, what is the general form of 2m? 2m is the general form of even numbers. So 6 cube plus 4 is a even number. 6 cube plus 4 is an even number. Next, case 5. Case 6. 5 already completed. Case 6. If r equals to 5, the last case. 0 completed, 1 completed, 2 completed, 3 completed, 4 completed. Now r equals to 5. A equals to b cube plus r. A equals to b value 6 cube plus r equals to 5. 6 cube plus 5. It is a odd number or even number? 6 cube plus 5 can written as 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. 6 cube plus 4 plus 1 5. 6 cube plus 4 plus 1. Here, what is the common here? Both 2. 2 take 2 common. 2 into 3 cube. 2 3s are 6. Cube plus 2. How many times? 4. 4. 2 times. So 2 plus 1. So 2 into something plus 1. 2m plus 1. Where m equals to 3 cube plus 2. Okay. So m is a positive integer. M is a positive integer. So now case 1. Q equals to r equals to 0 taken. 6 cube plus 0. 6 cube is a 2 into something 2m form. So it is if r equals to 0, 2m form even number. If r equals to 1, 2m plus 1, it is odd form. This is 6 cube. This is 6 cube plus 1. R equals to 2, 2m. It is also 2m. It is a even form. This is 6 cube plus 2. R equals to 3. This 2m plus 1 form you write. It is odd number. So 6 cube plus 3. Now case r equals to 4. R equals to 4. 6 cube plus 4. R equals to 4. 2m. That is 2m form. So it is even number. That is even number. That is 6 cube plus r. 6 cube plus 4. R equals to 5. It is 2m plus 1. It is odd number. So it is 6 cube plus 5. So here is so that by Euclid's division lemma, use Euclid's division lemma, 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5 are odd numbers. So here once you check, 6 cube plus 1 is an odd number. 6 cube plus 3 is an odd number. 6 cube plus 5 is an odd number. Okay, this is the first sum with by using Euclid's division lemma. Therefore, any positive integer of the any positive odd integer of the form 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. This is the second sum. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about the third sum. Thank you.